Today's guest, Raphael, Andrea, and Tim, are three young entrepreneurs in the trading world who moved from Dubai from Europe to chase bigger dreams.
And in Dubai, of course, you have a lot of opportunities here. And we discovered the prop firm space.
Me, I know as a trader that a lot of profitable traders trade with a small stop loss, high risk reward.
The most important is not to how much you earn, it's how much you lose. If you manage that, you can be a good trader and you can manage like whatever you want for myself.
In this episode, we'll dive into their views on the ever-evolving trading industry, the profitability of running their businesses, and the most important skills to master for long-term trading success. What's the secret sauce to passing the prop firm challenges? So how do you guys all know each other?
So me and Tim, we know each other from 4 years right now. And since we moved to Dubai, it's like 1.5 years ago, we meet Andrew in the club. Because when you're young, like me, I'm 21 years old, he's 21 as well, and Tim is 20. And when you start to make money, of course, you want to little bit flex in the club. So it's what we was doing. And we meet Andrew in the club in Dubai at, what was the club?
Sky 2.0.
Yeah, Sky 2.0. And Tim was trading in the club because it's boring in Dubai. It's not very good clubs here. Personally, I don't like. So Tim was trading and he saw a guy who was trading as well. So of course they talk. You can explain how it was.
Yeah, it was very, very funny, very crazy because I meet him at first near the table and we start to talk, how you do trading? Yeah, me too, blah, blah, blah. And we have similar setup on trading, on the one trade. And I say, okay, give me your Insta. We exchange the Instagram. And after we start to talk, etc., on social media, we make some calls, and I saw the business. And after with time, we start a collab. So we start collaboration together.
Very cool. Sky 2.0 is that's a club with like the dome, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's like the best one in Dubai.
Yeah, but me, I don't like clubbing too much here. Like
we bring a lot of girls. Like we don't care about the typology of the club, etc. We bring some girls and we enjoy with them. And if we don't enjoy, like we connect with any good people.
Because a lot of contact we make here in Dubai, it's or in the club or in parties, like house parties. It's the best way to create contacts because it's in positive way always, and that's how we meet. Like half of our partners, it's during this type of evening.
And what part of Europe are you guys from?
So me, I'm from Paris with Tim, and Andrew.
Me, I'm from Sicily, Italy.
Did you guys know each other from growing up, childhood?
No, we met on TikTok. Yeah, 4 years.
It was only for business at first, and after we continue the relationship. Like, okay, you're good at your work, I'm good, let's work together. After we start a relation, like amicable relation, and he was like me, like very hard worker, and let's travel all around the world. Let's do business. We start many things together, but now I think we find like the main business, and we can scale like easy. And I just wanted to say, like, we try many things, but now it's the good way what we do.
And you guys own a prop firm, right?
Yeah, right. But before the prop firm, how we met with Tim, it was like in NFT space. So we was doing crypto video and NFT video on TikTok. That's how a lot of French people know us. And I was working with an NFT collection in Paris, and they was searching for some influencers who can promote the project on social media. So of course, me, I was the head manager for social media part on TikTok. And I reached out to Tim, and after we talk together. We meet in Paris, and since this day we work together in all the businesses we built. So we pass by crypto, after NFTs. We make our first 100K profit with NFTs. After we create our own NFT project, more than $1 million profit with our team. And we decided to move to Dubai. And in Dubai, of course, you have a lot of opportunities here. And we discovered the prop firm space, how it's working. And by the way, before that, we was in Forex as well because we was trading. So yeah, that's how we managed to create our prop firm.
Very cool. So you always been in like the financial industry.
Yeah.
And where did your entrepreneurship begin? Was it on social media, like just making content like on TikTok or?
It was on during the crypto bull run 2020. We start at this point, and yeah, it's been 4 years right now.
I'm curious to know what was the project that you guys worked on for NFTs.
You know, during the NFT space, a lot of projects, it's like very short-term projects. So of course we invest in this project. We was not the CEOs, but we was a part of the project. And yeah, you just spend a lot of money for the marketing, and people buy and sell for like some profits. So it was like very short-term project, but it worked a lot. And many people in Dubai was doing that before. People who create cryptos, people who create NFTs, NFT collections. It's a lot short-term projects, and it's one of the easiest way to make fast money at the beginning.
But the most strategy we use, it was like flipping. Like we analyze the project. Okay, it's good project. They have good communities, etc. And the next day they have like big floor price. We make like 2x, 3x, 10x, and we sell it like now. That was the strategy. Because if you hold all your NFTs since like 2 years, they like price nothing right now. You know. The strategy was make profit quick and sell the project and search another project, etc. It's make money fast on NFTs.
Do you think like NFTs are ever gonna come back and there's gonna be another
No.
bull run for them? No.
I don't think so. No, only blue chip like Bored Apes or
Only biggest project.
yeah, only biggest projects like Clone X. It's Nike who bought the company. I think these projects are for long term, but 99.9% of them will never recover.
Because it was just hype, you know, with communities, etc.
There's no like real utility factor, you know,
No,
to
there is no.
NFTs.
There is no. But you work with social media company, right? So it's remember me Winer Media.
What is it?
Winer Media. So Gary Vee create his own NFT collection as well.
Yeah, he did really well with that.
Difference.
Yeah, for sure. So what kind of made the spark for you to navigate from Web3 to trading Forex?
It's more safe, more long term, and we was tired of buy and sell NFT fast, making some 2-3x in some days, and after searching another project without knowing the future. So of course we was tired. So from this we moved from this to create our project. And of course, with trading, it's the same. I'm not a trader, but they are traders. And together, we decided to create a prop firm.
Very cool. And how's that prop firm going right now for you guys?
Yeah, it's going very good. Like we make per month approximately more than 6 figures euro per month. So it's doing very good.
I guess when it comes to starting a prop firm, is it a difficult thing to start, or is it pretty easy?
Yeah, because you have to think about the tech provider, the brokerage firm that onboard you, who give you the license, because we operate in Europe. So of course we need to be a legal entity. And after you have some problems with the finance system of banking, because they don't accept high risk industries business, because trading is high risk. So of course we had this problem, and PSPs as well, payment processors. So there is a lot of thing to manage. So yeah, but
they have also the part like we need to have the best rules on the market. We need to provide good things for the traders. We have most of plans like we have 2-phase challenge, we have 1-phase challenge, we have also instant funding. But we are also marketers. Like we provide things to traders to feel good on the prop firm, to feel comfortable psychologically, etc. and we think about many things at first, but we also didn't think too much. That's a very long-term project because we need to think about many things, and we build every day, every week the prop firm to be a better project and like very long-term project.
That's very cool. Is a prop firm, is that kind of going to be the only thing your ex-funded focuses on? Or are you guys ever going to venture into, new avenues like brokerage maybe? And
No, we will focus only in prop firm for now, because it's been 6 months we created, so of course we focus only in prop.
It needs a lot of focus, of course. Yeah, especially at the beginning, it needs a lot of focus. Yeah, as Raf told, to fix all the PSP, broker, etc. And also, as Tim say, to think about traders, to be sustainable, to don't have like strange rules or things that doesn't work for traders. So yes, we need to think to many things. Okay, me, I started before COVID, so I was like 18, and I started because I was DJ. But after COVID came, so I was without work, and a guy that I knew in clubs, like Raf say, everyone we meet in clubs. He told me, yes, I'm studying in a company. Let's study together. It's about trading. It's about crypto, etc. Me, I didn't understand nothing about what he said to me, what he told to me. I say, okay, let's do it. I don't have other things, other chance, other work. So okay, let's do it. It was network marketing company. I can say that it was good. It was good information. So after like 1 year and a half in network marketing, studying every day, losing money, make experience, etc., I start to become a little bit profitable. And after more profitable, and they also telling me, okay, Andrew, you want to be educator on the network marketing on the network marketing company. So me, I was thinking about this. I do it. I don't do it. And to clarify my mind, I came here in Dubai. And after, I start my other company about automatic trading software. And this was my first company. After I meet Raphael, I meet Tim in club, and you know the story. We start expanded together.
it's a great story. And being a trader, what are your thoughts on, prop firms? When someone's starting trading, do you think they should practice and go through a prop firm? Should they just go straight to live? What's your kind of thoughts on the prop firm from a trader's perspective?
Okay, yeah, me, I think that a trader at first have to study. Okay, for example, we provide good formation. We provide course for free for people that bought our prop firm. We give free course, and they can study, they can practice maybe before in demo account, after small account, and of course it's personal, like depends on every person. Maybe I don't know, maybe me, I can be comfortable trading at 25k euro prop firm, but I'm not comfortable if I try to trade more like 100k. So let's keep at the beginning the account size where you feel comfortable, so you are not stressed if you take stop loss, and you can continue to trade in a very long term way, not like 1 month profit and after you blow the account. So yeah, let's maybe it's better that people start with the quantity of the account where they feel comfortable.
Gotcha. What about you?
From myself, I will tell you pretty much the same thing, because at first you really need to be focused on your skills, on your knowledge, but you also need to be very patient. Like the best skills you need to have for a trader, it's to be patient, especially for beginners. You can learn many things. You can learn on many ways. They have a lot of traders provide you information or something like content free on YouTube, etc. But you need to focus on your skills, your trading plan, and not at the beginning on live. You need to trade on demo, because the market will push you like 100% at first. It's normal. Like you need to build yourself at first, and after you building yourself, you can create a good strategy. And when you have a good strategy, you can work in on it on a prop firm account, for example. And this is a very good leverage to trade. Like we build the prop firm at first because we see the opportunities for give capitals to traders. and it's a very good opportunity also to trade, because like you buy a challenge 50 euro, you can have like 10x, like 100x what you pay on your first payment, and you can access to the bigger capital, you know.
And what makes X Funded different from, I guess, other prop firms? Like, are you guys trying to do anything differently that you notice in the prop firm space?
So we are different from others because we have a very low spread on trades. When a trader take a trade, we have very low spread. We don't have commissions on trades. Profit targets are very low. Like if you compare to FTMO, it's one of the biggest prop firm, or it's the biggest prop firm in the world. Their profit targets are higher than us. Our price are lower, and yeah, it's about the rules are more
Comfortable for traders.
comfortable for traders, more comfortable for traders.
And is your market right now? I know you guys, French European. Is your market majority of your people using X Funded European, or do you guys have a different audience?
Our 95% of our customers come from Italy or UK or France.
Oh wow, that's because you guys are marketing in those
Yeah,
regions,
right.
right? Yeah. Oh, and your company's based in France?
No, they are based in Dubai.
Based in Dubai, yeah. Oh,
You know why?
why?
But I guess.
Why your company is based in Dubai?
Yeah. What do you
Taxes.
think?
Taxes
No,
for sure.
okay, but not only. Because regulation in Europe are very complicated. To operate with a payment processor, it's more easy in Dubai. Banks are more easy. Taxes, of course, because if you pay taxes, you have less capital to pay the profitable traders. So, of course, if you mix all of this information, the best place in the world to build a prop firm is Dubai.
I mean, it's a hub for business. Like, I love Dubai coming from America because like everyone here is just excelling, whether you're old or young. And I think
Because-
it's really great. Yeah.
In America, you can it's like illegal to use prop firms.
Super strict. Super strict.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's illegal in America because CFDs, brokerage or prop firms are restricted in the US. So that's why we operate only in Europe.
That makes sense. And you know, you've been growing X Funded for 6 months. Was there a required amount of capital you needed before you started the prop firm?
It's a very good question because we invest more than 120k euro to build the prop firm, like for the technical part. But of course, it's not the money problem; it's the contacts problem because you need to get contacts from the brokerage. He need to have your trust because he give you his license because a trading license to operate in Europe are very, very, very high. The prices are very high. So to get it, it's very complicated. And yeah, we in 8 months from the beginning to the end, we build the prop firm. So in terms of capital, yeah, more than 100k euro to build it.
When starting off, I know it's hard to have something profitable right away, but I mean, you guys are profitable in 6 months. That's pretty good.
Yeah, about the first months we make more than 250k euro
So
profit.
you're profitable the first month.
The first months we are profitable.
Wow. Has there been like any like kind of obstacles that you faced being 6 months into the business?
I will say payment processors because our average spend per client is 550 euros, so it's a lot, and a lot of PSPs, payment processors, block payments or freeze your balance because you are in the high risk industry. So it was one of the biggest problem for the first 3 months, but right now it's good.
Yeah, I think like I've heard from another person that had a prop firm. Like another problem is like clients after they do the challenge, they request a refund back.
Yes, so that's
Chargebacks.
why you need a payment processor who support your business. Because of course you can lie to a payment processor or to a bank of the activity you are doing. But of course when you get some refunds or chargebacks, you have to prove you're right and the clients are like lying. But of course if your business doesn't match of what you said to the bank, they give back the money to the clients. So you need to be very, very white.
Yeah, it sounds like you need to be really organized. And how many people are in your company right now?
So we are 3 founders with Tim and Andrew, and after we have 5 people who have like salary. You mean? Yeah, 5 people.
When it comes to, I guess, marketing a prop firm, what is your strategy for bringing clients on board to your prop firm?
So there is 2 type of strategy that is working very well to bring clients to our prop firm. Is first influencers, because influencers have community. Influencers in trading space, of course. When I say influencers in trading space, they can bring a lot of traffic because they are already selling something about trading. But of course, most of them are working with brokers. So people are trading with their own capital, like 500 euro, 1k euro. And of course, when we approach them and try to sign a deal with the influencers to sell our prop firm to their clients, it's very good business for us because it's more attractive for them, and in marketing way, it's more easy to sell because for 500 euro, 449 euro to be precise, you can get 100k euro challenge. So of course, if you make only like 5% profit on your funded account, it's like 5,000 euro. You make 10x on your investment. So of course, for influencers, it's good marketing because a lot of their client can be profitable. And of course, for us, it's bring us a lot of liquidity to pay people who request payouts.
And how much, like, I think that's an important part of prop firms. Like, how much have you guys paid out, if you don't mind me asking?
Right now, more than 200k.
Oh, wow, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. So what are your guys' like specific roles in X Funded? Like, what are you doing for like the company?
Okay, we provide also our formation, so our strategy, our trading strategy. We provide our analysis to some of our clients, so they can understand how we trade, if we are against some area in the charts, if we are seeing something that they didn't see before, etc. And we provide our full support. It's also other thing for our marketing. For example, me, I show every week on YouTube that I trade live every day. If I take a win or if I take loss, I rec, and I show everything super white, super clear, super transparent. And people, of course, see real results and see that it's not just marketer that talk about maybe prop firm. They don't know what is a prop firm. They don't know what is trading. And for clients that came from this type of contents, we can, as I told before, we provide our real strategy with a full course. And yes, we also help them with these trades.
Very cool. How about you, Tim?
I manage marketing in the company, and I manage also trading. Like I provide same because he works in Italy, and I'm working with different part of Europe. But it's pretty much the same. Like we manage formation. I give content. I've give free content on YouTube. In this industry, we need to have. In the business in general, we need to have one things to do. You do it good, so you manage only this. Like we have a very good team because and we build good the prop firm because every person have a task and do it very well. So we can have a gain of the time of work. Like something do good things, he do it good. Raphael manage something, he manage something, I manage something, and we build like very quickly.
And of course,
When we have problem or when we have something.
Me and Tim, as trader, of course, we take also feedback from our clients that maybe it can give us maybe good feedback to understand like what we can improve, what we can change, if we can provide something more to help them, and if they find some problems, some issues, they usually they don't have, we can take this traders feedback to improve the trading part, like rules, spread, etc. But as also Raf told, we have a very, very, very super low spread and no commission. So it's good because many prop firms have a lot of spreads. And me, I know as trader that a lot of profitable traders trade with a small stop loss, high risk reward. So of course, if you have like 5 pips stop loss and you have already 2 pips against you as spread, it's impossible to trade. So you have to change yourself, change your trading strategy, and after, of course, if you change something that before was working, after doesn't work anymore. Me and team, of course, we trade on prop firm from long time, so we know this.
We are scalper also. We take like very short position,
So,
like very precise.
Yeah.
And
It's stressful though. Scalping
yeah,
is so
it's
stressful.
a little bit.
Yeah.
You have to know how to manage it, and this is stressful. And of course, if the prop firm go against you with spread, it's impossible to trade. So we know this from our experience with this in other prop firm, and we fix this on Xfunded.
So being scalp traders, how long do you guys spend looking at the charts daily?
Me, usually I trade open of the session. So I trade like 1 minute charts, but so I see very low time frame, but in specific time. So I know that I have to check if my strategy give me all the confirmation in this specific time. If I go straight after this time, I close the charts because I know with my data that if I open after this time, it's more probably that I take stop loss. So it makes sense to take the trade. No, so it's only losing time and losing money if I trade after.
People who are watching us wanted maybe to know how much you make today.
Yeah.
Maybe it's interesting to know.
Yeah, today I make like 3K on US30, in one account, 2.3K.
You have your phone now?
Yeah, I can show, of course. Of course. This is one account.
It's a funded account, of course.
Of course.
So it's a prop firm account that are funded, not on Xfunded. Why? Because we are working together and our goal is to take the money from other prop firm to our pocket.
This is the first here. Yeah. Okay, this is the first. As you can see, it's US30 trades today. This is oggi. In Italian, it's today. It's a 2.2K. And if I put, last week, it's a 6.9K. And as you can see, it's only blue here. So pretty good. And other account is this, where today I didn't take trade, yes, but last week it's 10K in 1 week. This is, I show, it's ultima settimana, it's last week, and it's 10K on 100K account. So as you can see, 100K account, 12K profit, so 12% profit onto account.
That's nice. What's their biggest trading month you've had?
Biggest trade, maybe it was I guess June. It was very good. But I understand one thing, because after I had also a very big loss, it's like it doesn't matter if you came from a very big win streak, and because you don't have to be too much like how can I say overconfidence on the charts. If you are overconfident just for the past, just because you take profit 1 day before, 1 week before, this affect very bad your trading today. Same thing for loss. If you lose yesterday, if you lose last week, you don't have to think about what happened in the past to trade today in the present, because this affect in a bad way your trading. And it's the same for a lose or a win in the past.
Why don't you trade on, what do you trade on? Do you trade on Xfunded or no?
No, we trade also from other prop firm, because it's smart to take liquidity from other prop firm, because me and as well also team, we know that we can take a big part of liquidity from other company to put, of course, in our pocket, but also in our company to have more liquidity to be more sustainable. Because many prop firm don't think about sustainability, don't think about liquidity, and after, when they don't have liquidity, they try to put strange rules or weird things. But we want to keep the, how can I say, the most comfortable space for traders, because we know as traders that they need it.
And running the prop firm, what's the most, I guess, important foundation for keeping a prop firm stable?
Liquidity.
Liquidity?
Yeah, because a lot of prop firm close doors because they don't have liquidity to pay out. So of course our objective with me, team and Andrew is to bring as much as liquidity we can in the company with challenges that we sell, with our trading, because we invest after in equity accounts and we trade with real money to bring more liquidity because they are profitable. And of course they trade on other prop firm to take the money from other prop firm like FTMO and to bring it in Xfunded So of course our liquidity are coming from equities account, a real account, from other platform like FTMO, because we pass challenges, we get payouts, and we request more than 500k euro payouts in 1.5 year. So it's a lot. Like I don't think in Europe there is people who make much as us.
Sure.
I don't think. And third, and it's the most important one, like 80% of the liquidity comes from here. It's the challenges sell. So they come on the website of X Funded. I can show you on the camera how it's look like.
And of course, the liquidity after we reinvest in futures account, real market. So a part of
So
liquidity
we
is funded.
create a circle. Like first, like for example, a 100k account cost 449 euro. Okay. 100k account cost like 449 euro. As you can see, it's a two-phase challenge. And 300k account, two-phase challenge, bring a lot more liquidity for us because it cost more than 1.3k euro. So of course, all this liquidity, we use it to into real accounts, and we trade with this and we make profit. Like, what's the average profit we make per month?
In a win rate.
Yeah, no, in percentage, like with our capital.
Yeah, with a futures account, we depends on the risk that we put in because we trade also different accounts with different type of risk management. It can be from 3-5% month as income of average, of course. And one thing that I was thinking about before, meanwhile Raf was talking, it's maybe I guess it was very like blessed that we came, or especially Raf and team came from NFT, because they see short-term business. And now we are creating something very long term, because me, I'm 21, 20 years old, and most of the people, what they do, they create company, they see some liquidity, they buy Lamborghini, they buy Ferrari.
We can buy each one a Lamborghini, but we don't do it for what? For what?
We prefer to invest the money, invest the
We don't
liquidity.
own a car. Huh?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
don't own.
Three of us.
We take Uber.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course. Our priority is our company. We don't need stuff to show off. Of course, we like to travel or something, but our goal with me and my partners is to bring X Funded to the top. We are not yet, but we can, of course, exit the company like few hundred millions in maybe 2 years. That's our objective. But right now we can rug pull like more than 1 million euro. But for what?
But if
Like
you
it's
compare,
short term.
yeah, exactly. If you compare all the prop firm owner, you see the Instagram page, and you can see like Lamborghinis, you can see like many things, and they 1 month, 2 months, 3 months after they close the prop firm.
Yeah.
That's why, And I see most of the time I see that, and they are young. They are. Me as well. I'm very young, but I focus on long term, and we focus on long term. Especially on the company.
Yeah, it's a difficult thing, I think, for young entrepreneurs is once when you get this big inflow of money that maybe you've never seen before,
Yeah.
not wanting to spend it. I guess when it comes to making your first batch of money, how do you guys discipline yourself from not spending that? Because it's easy, like you said, you can go buy yourself Lamborghinis and probably still be fine. But why don't you keep yourself? How do you keep yourself from kind of?
But I cannot talk for my partners, but myself, I come from a wealthy family, so of course I saw it from my little age, and it don't impress me too much to drive a Lamborghini or something. So of course I can rent it, so it's like 1k euro per day. Sometimes I rent it, but it's only pleasure. I don't need to own it to show other people that I have money. They already know in France that I'm a prop firm owner, and I'm the only influencer in France that own a prop firm. So of course it's to show off, but for who? For people who doesn't care about me. I mean, there is no sense. Of course, I can buy a Rolex, but it's still an investment. If you buy a Lamborghini, you lose money.
Me, I guess, because maybe I came from trading, so one very good point from our company, it's risk management. So me, I understand risk management in trading, but I understand that I have to have risk management also with my own money, so my personal money, my personal account, and same for company. So we already have specific percentage for every 100 euro, 1000, 100k, doesn't matter, money that came inside the company. We split this is for the team, this is for marketing, this is for we reinvest inside the company, and this is we invest in trading. And maybe we are the only one firm in all the world they take the liquidity and reinvest in real market in trading, because inside we are real trader inside.
Yeah, reinvesting in companies is the most important thing you could do.
Yeah, and they ask me, some my parents, friends, yeah, why you don't invest in real estate with all your money you have? For what? To get 3%, 5% per year? We make it. It's very low. We can make it in a
We
month.
can do it by months.
It's
You
not
know?
bad to diversify though, right? Like, of course, you guys want to. I think building a business is the most quickest way to make a lot of wealth.
Yeah.
Are you guys outside of like just building a business? Do you guys have any other ways you want to diversify, your whole income portfolio?
Right now, no, we invest everything in our company, because if we invest 200k euro in our company, it can make 3x in 1 year. In real estate, 5% a year. For what I will invest in real estate? Here in Dubai, they all are a real estate agent, etc. We don't make money in real estate here. Like 5% a year, it's not a good money. If you are a prop firm owner, if you have a business, you are a business owner, the most effective way to make money is to have your own business and invest in your own business to get more clients. Our job in our prop firm, you ask this question to us, it's marketing. It's our objective is to put meal on the table. You can eat when you bring clients. So our work is marketing, bring more liquidity to the company, to find more clients, develop more market, and this is the game changer in company, to find clients. Some people think to grow a company you need a good Instagram page, a good product, a good something. No. The more important thing is to know how to find clients, and it's come from marketing.
And in your experience, what has been the best way to find clients?
Ads, to make ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google. You pay ads, like you spend €1 to get 3. It's the ROI, we call it. We spend like approximately 1.5k euro per day in ads. So of course, when we invest 1k euro, we get 3k euro, 3x. Real estate don't make 3x in one day. So that's why I don't invest.
And we also scale it.
Yeah, and after we scale it with influencers, so of course we have managers who contact them all, try to make deals, and yeah, that's the way we find clients. And of course we content creators as well. Tim have a YouTube channel where he show his strategy, how he managed to make this type of money in trading. Andrea as well, he's making content in Italy, and me as well, like lifestyle. I show how a prop firm business is working, how to build it, etc. More the back, not the trading.
I think it's important to document your journey, especially being young. Like
Yeah.
media is everything. And a question I had about prop firms is, what's a common issue why people fail? Majority of people fail.
A lot of people, me I guess, because they trade news, so they don't try to find a good average in their strategy, but they try the luck, because they think, okay, it's just 500 euro or less, like 450 euro. I have 100k account, so I can try to flip, and maybe tomorrow I will buy Lamborghini. It's a Lamborghini problem, are people that think short term. They don't invest time, energy, resource to create real trading strategy, to follow straight rules, but they try to, or maybe they have, for 1 month they do it, they make some profit, and after, there is a news, they are excited, they want to go full margin, and someone is lucky. Yes, one time he can request payout, maybe big payout, but what
sometimes.
it happens, but what about the next month? He blow the account. So yeah, it's maybe a lot of people because they gamble on news, especially.
They don't know how to manage a risk on each trade, because when you buy a prop firm challenge, you have 10% drawdown, max drawdown 10%. So on a 100K account, you can lose only 10K. So of course, if you risk 3% per trade, some people will think it's not a lot. It's a lot. Because in 4 trades, you're out.
So obviously you guys are successful at passing prop firm challenges. What's the secret sauce to passing the prop firm challenges?
They don't have a secret sauce. You just need to have a good psychology. Especially, I speak especially from myself because when at first I began in the trading industry, I was not passionate, and I wasn't have any rules, any things like that, and you need to have psychology and patience. And after you can scale it because at first I was passing challenge. We provide the passing challenge with other prop firm like FTMO, MFF, TFF. Most of prop firm it was our business, and we make like 1 million turnover with only these services. But you need to stay focused on psychology. It's not the most important. It's not to how much you earn. It's how much you lose. If you manage that, you can be a good trader and you can manage like whatever you want for myself.
That's a great answer.
With this, we pass a lot of challenges, and we had very big data analytics from this because we saw that we pass many challenges, like more than 20 millions dollars account for our clients. We pass all the challenge from ourselves with our trades, etc. But after we see that people anyway they blow account. So we say, okay, we do a lot of works. We pass challenge for clients on other prop firm. We are very profitable, but the clients, when they get the account, when they are funded, they blow the account. They blow our works and they give liquidity for free for other prop firm. So we take this data, we take this thinking. We had very a lot of big and long time reunion together, and from this it was very big point for when we decide to create our own prop firm. Because we say if me, team, and other traders we pass challenges, and clients have already the 99% of the work's done, and anyway people still gamble, still lose money on other prop firms. Why we don't have to be the prop firm?
It's like you already maybe hear this story, like if you win the lottery, maybe in few years you will get broke. It's same with prop firm because most of them don't know how to manage this type of money. So of course they are doing very bad.
Yeah, we was giving the winning lottery to people because they was funded, but anyway they lose money.
We give the ticket.
The good one.
I can see why what led you now to creating your own prop firm. That's amazing. When it comes to the business you're doing prior to the prop firm, I kind of want to know more about it. So you guys would, because you guys were good traders, you would pass, people can pay to have you guys pass challenges to get a funded account, then you give them the fund account?
Yeah, right.
That was the business model?
So the business model is simple. I'm a content creator. I was talking about profit business and I show to people how it's profitable business because if you know how to trade and when you get funded, it's very interesting because you can redraw all the profits from a funded account. So it is the introduction of our business. So of course a lot of people was interested. So I'm a marketer. They are traders. So I find clients who want to get funded. They pay me the service and they pass the challenge. So so you can understand how much they pay for 1 million. Explain the prices.
Yeah, we pass for like the most high ticket service. It's like for a 1 million account. Me especially, I sell for 15,000, so 50,000 euro, just to pass the challenge and get funded with 1 million. Because of course, as I told before, many people blow the account because they try to gamble, they try the lucky. But of course, if you are not gamble and you want to trade seriously and you have good strategy, you make 1% in 1 million account, it's 10K. If you make 2%, it's sustainable to make 2% in 1 month, you are already in profit or break even minimum. And to be like, which business you can be break even or profit the first month? No one. You open a shop, a barber shop, you open a supermarket, everything. You cannot be profitable at in 1 month, 2 months. With profit, yes. Everyone do it? No. Everyone make profit? No, even if we pass the challenge, everyone will be disciplined and trade how they have to trade without gamble. No, small people, but this is mentality of people. A lot of people think only short term to flip account and buy Lamborghini in 2 days.
How many clients were you guys managing for this business prior? And like how much like I guess money was being involved in this business too?
So at once we have more than 500 clients because clients can come and after we don't manage them because they are already funded. But at once we have more than 550 clients at once. So yeah, it was a lot.
And it would cost like 15K to be a client.
No, it's the most expensive service we provide. It's 1 million account. Of course, we was splitting the million with 300K account on my Forex fund and 100K. So 3 accounts of 300K and 1 account 100K to get 1 million. We sell it for 15,000 euro. But the 100K account, it's like
2K,
2.5 to 2K, depend because sometimes we grow prices depend on how many clients we have to manage. But yeah, from 2K to 3K we sell the passing for 100K account.
Just to give you idea, some weeks we was making like 200K euro per weeks, just passing account. And of course, we deliver the service in very good way because clients get funded, they receive, and it's very very hard to get to take clients and get funded and pass 2-phase challenge or some prop like 3-phase challenge. It's very hard. Very few people can do this. We did it, and it was very good business. Yeah.
And did you guys have multiple clients coming back and repaying you guys to past challenges?
But yeah, of course. Most of them, of course.
It's gambling.
Yeah, but they get funded. Yeah, I'm funded. Okay, my friend want to be funded as well. Okay, bam, bam, bam. So our marketing at one point was only organic, so we didn't do nothing but client come every day.
And of course, people that don't gamble and they trade right, it was very good for them because yes, they pay in 1 month, 2 months, they was profitable and they did very big marketing for us because they, of course, they can show, yes, these guys pass me the challenge, me I get funded and I make 1% per month, but 1 million account, I take 10K euro per month. Maybe not every month, okay, but 6 times in 1 year, it's 60K in 1 year, it's nice.
So that's why we have a lot of trust at X Funded because most of the clients that are buying challenges was our clients or people who know that we are doing good business before. So of course it's only trust, and we are building our personal brand with our past, what we was doing, and to get our customer happy with our service.
Yeah, you funneled those 550 people to your prop firm. How many clients do you have now that are using your prop firm?
More than 1K.
Oh wow. Yeah. What's like to be, I guess, a good prop firm? What are like the best prop firms? Like how many clients do the best prop firms have?
More than 20K. Like FTMO maybe have 20, 30K clients, like live clients who have a challenge like they are trading.
And are most prop firms like challenges are all similar priced?
Yes, all the prop firms are creating competition because, like for example, FTMO sell 100K account for 550 euro. We sell 100 euro less, so yeah, we get close to the FTMO because it's like the biggest prop firm in the world, and we try to be better. So of course, better rules, better prices.
Yeah, competitive pricing is important. Yeah. So with having 1,000 clients on X Funded, how much are you guys making per month right now?
Yeah, right now with these 1,000 clients, we're making like 120K euro. But of course, we also can provide different type of service like passing. And as I told you, with passing challenges, some weeks, yeah, we make like 200K just in 1 week, for example, when we launch it, because it's not every time open for everyone. It's for a few people sometimes. It's a close number.
And we still build it like every day, every week, every month. It's very different. It's a different average because also we work with like many people and it's accumulation, and after that we build like that. So it's building every day, every week, every month.
And of course, for marketing, it's important to know how to do marketing, but also it's very important to know how to create marketing team, marketing structure, funnel, have the good copywriter, have the good media buyer. It's not easy. So a lot of money from our company, from our liquidity, we also invest to have the best team. So we want to have the best media buyer to give new formation, like new course to be update the media buyer, copywriter, technical people that put something technical in a website, in landing page, etc. Because it's very, very important when you want to scale a lot. And as I told you, we don't take the money, the liquidity to spend for ourselves. Okay, we can make money also with other things, but we use the liquidity to create a team, to do the advertising, to do the marketing structure, and to have the best team. Because I think that team is very, very important part, because you can also spend a lot of money on advertising, but you don't know how to do advertising, you don't know how to create funnel, you will lose money at the end. So we invest a lot in team.
Yeah, I think team is the foundation of business. With making 120K a month, what are the profit margins for prop firms? Like, how much are you guys spending a month on expenses?
So like our like profit per month is around like 55-60% on a prop firm, because we have to pay the salaries and payouts. So yeah, like 40%, 40% depending of the months are going for the expenses for the company and for payouts. Yeah.
I mean, how much is that? Like, how much are you guys spending per month on employees and the software and all that stuff?
More than 25k euro per month.
Dang, yeah, it's expensive.
Without counting payouts. Yeah. Only like the team salaries.
What's the most expensive cost of maintaining a prop firm?
So of course this 25k euro we spend it like on a monthly basis, and the more expensive thing to own a prop firm is the brokerage firm. So we work with Purple Trading, and we send them like 15k euro per month for accounts, for the license, and of course a fixed amount to for their commission. So of course if you count $10 per account per month, so it's like if you have a 1k account, you multiply $10 per x 1k, so 10k just for accounts. And after you have to pay C-Trader, the trading platform, so it's like 3k, and after the commission for the broker, so yeah, 15k a month, monthly.
So if I wanted to start a prop firm, what's the least amount of money I should have to spend per month?
I suggest you 200k euro to
To start, and then monthly.
no, to start, because you have to create the prop firm. So let's 100k euro to create it. Depend of which is your tech provider, because there is a lot, of course. And after, yeah, you have to pay for marketing, for all the stuff behind, the team for marketing, media buyer. To find the broker, you have to pay as well, because if you want him to be a part of your prop firm, of course they use their technician to be partners and connect your prop firm to the brokerage firm. So it costs a lot as well. 120,000
to get it going.
120,000 euro to get started, and of course like 80k euro for marketing and other stuff. To be safe, chill. But of course, maybe after 3 weeks you spend all the money, and after you cannot pay your monthly bills, so you have to close. And a lot of people want to start a prop firm business, but they don't have the balls to keep paying every month and find the clients to maintain the business, because you need to organize your cash flow. Without this, you cannot create a prop firm.
And also time, because of course, all the time that we spend to create the prop firm, we stop our past business. So we stop to pass challenge in other prop firm. So for a lot of months, we stopped to earn from this, and it was good business to develop and put full focus on expanded. So you have to calculate also that we stop to earn money from other business. We put a lot of times this money to starts. The money, of course, after that you pay all this amount to starts, and you have to start the marketing. You have to have also liquidity to give payout, because first month, 2 month, someone asks payout. You have to have money. You have to have money for yourself. So you have to calculate everything. And of course, if you have 200K, yeah, you can try, yes, but you have to do full margin. You have to live, you have to pay bills, etc. So, yeah, you have to have liquidity to do it.
So obviously marketing is the most important thing to a prop firm to make it profitable. With the marketing you've done, what has been the best marketing strategy for onboarding users?
Influencers. Yeah, it's the best way to bring clients because they have already the trust, and clients don't buy a challenge because X-Funded is good. They buy because the influencers told them to buy this. So of course we build our trust with them, with the influencers first, and after clients have trust in us because big influencers talk about us.
And of course, this is the first part of marketing, but there is also other parts of marketing at step.
It's the more important. It's to pay out people.
Yeah, because me, for example, I came from offline marketing. With network marketing, it's everything like referral in offline and not just online. And to do this, you have to have good products. People have to be happy with your products. Instead, of course, they do bad marketing in offline, not good marketing. So it's very different situation. If you have your clients, we have few rules, not crazy rules with rules. They just follow this, they get payout, perfect, we approve payout, and they are happy, they talk with other people. This is one things. But other things is, if, as I told before, other prop firm owner take money to do other things after they don't want to give payouts because they want to take everything for themselves, so they decline payout, they put weird things inside prop firms, and the people start to make bad contents on YouTube. They say, okay, I show you this prop firm don't give me money and this is bad marketing. So it's two different scenario, two different things, and we prefer to have of course the first one, so offline marketing.
Yeah, it sounds like you guys have your whole foundation on point for this prop firm. Have you guys came across any biggest lessons that you've learned, like mistakes that you made? I would say, what would be the biggest mistake that you've made with having a prop firm?
Yeah, me, I can say that it's to not have your own team to do marketing, like your own media buyer, your own team, your own manager that can manage the technical parts, but to put money in a company, like a marketing company, etc. That sometimes it can works, but if they don't have focus for yourself, if they don't work for real for yourself, they don't care because they have other clients, etc. Of course, you can lose a lot of money, a lot of times, a lot of liquidity with this. So yes, this, and we learn from this mistake to have our own team. So now people that work for X-Funded work only for X-Funded. No one of our traders, technical parts, media buyer, manager, etc. works for other company. They are involved in other projects. They only are 100% focused on X-Funded, and they know that if they want to earn more, they have to help the company to grow. And it's important because you can create team, as I told before, that have one vision. Not like me, I have the vision of X-Funded, but the guy, the manager of, the technical part have vision to beat other company. It's not matching. So you have to match the same goals with all your team.
And of course, some months we can make like 300k euro turnover. Some months we are making 1,100k euro. So it's like always like that. And why? Because we change like marketing team. We change influencers. Some influencers come, some influencers leave. So of course it's like that. But it changed nothing because at the end, percentage always follow your company. Like percentage of people who request payout, it's always the same. If you make like 2 million or you make 200k, percentage will still be the same of amount of payout you send in terms of percentage. So of course, a prop firm is a profitable business when you know how to manage your team and to get people involved in in the marketing.
Yeah, me, I guess it's similar to trading. Like trading, it's also 1 month you can make more, 1 month you can make less. But if you have good strategy, you know that it's average during the year. Same it's in X funded on any other company. If you have good structure, good team, good marketing, and everything good, you know that also if this month I can make more, next month I make less, it's not important. At the end of the year, I follow my average. Of course, if you try, if you don't know what you do, you are like, okay, we try, we see if this works, month that go down can kill you, of course, can kill your liquidity, etc. So in trading and in company, you have to have a good background where you have experience and you know what you do. Don't try gamble or let's see what it happens random.
Yeah, I was thinking about your question, and the first 2 months was very successful for our prop firm because we was working for 8 months to develop our business plan to bring a lot of clients the first months. But after the 2 months, the 3 other months that follow, it was very calm, like making 120,000, 150,000 a month. So it's not a lot. But right now we are 17 October 2024. I think it will be our best month because we come back with good marketing, etc. So yeah, maybe this month we will make like 400k euro profit turnover with
It's
the
like
same.
impulse retracement in
Yeah,
trading.
it's like impulse retracement shit.
Yeah,
and
after we have other
yeah.
impulse.
Yeah, I'm sure you guys are gonna hit 7 figures soon.
Yeah, but it's been only 6 months, 5 months, 6 months. The 6 months, yeah. So we are pretty new and
And we build it every day. Every day it's building.
It's your baby, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like baby. Like the time, the care that you have to take, it's a very good example. It's like baby. You cannot say, okay, maybe today I take my baby, I put on the table, and we see in 1 week. You cannot do this.
No, you got to put the
Or
effort.
someone
to
do
build
it. It's no work.
Someone do it, huh?
It's dangerous.
so yeah. if we
And they lost the baby.
if we calculate our monthly profit, because maybe last time I didn't explain myself very well, it's like yeah, now 150,000 euro per month profit, like average. So yeah, we already make more than 1 million in turnover already, because some months we make a lot, after some months we chill, and now we come back. We like 17 October, yeah, we're already up more than 20k to 200k euro this month. So we'll see at the end of the month how much it will be, but I think.
And we see how we close this year and how we open the next one.
But we are at it's our best month, of course, because it's Q4. You know this, so Q4 is the best period to sell product. Yeah, so bullish quarter. We invest a lot in marketing. Like we spend 1.2k a day in Facebook ads. Doing great. We have closer team, influencers who provide service. So yeah.
We took new managers, CEO that can manage the managers, so we create very big structure inside.
Yeah, our mistake was to give trust to people that are not good in their space. So of course, at the beginning, your company will do high result, low result because of the people who are working with you. So our mistake was to work with manager, ads team that are very bad at the beginning. So of course we have to manage the team, and it's one of the mistakes we make at the beginning. But right now it's not the same. We solve it, and
Yeah, being a young entrepreneur, I feel like being able to manage a group of people is probably the most difficult thing. Well, yeah, you guys shared some amazing advice. I guess one last thing I'd want to know is what is the biggest common misconception about prop firms? You know, like I guess traders have this speculation in their views towards prop firms, but what's like a common misconception that isn't true?
it's very good question, because a lot of traders who are trading with their own capital think prop firm are not real, because for them to unlock 100k account and to earn like 5% profit and redraw 5k euro, it's impossible. It's like in dreams. So I think a lot of traders have to be more open-minded and give trust to the right prop firm, because of course a lot of prop firm close doors. A lot of prop firm are not serious. when you understand the market, when you understand with who to work, you can unlock really your challenge, and you can really redraw your profits if you respect the rules.
I think that one of the biggest misconceptions of people about trading space and in specific prop firm is that it's impossible to receive payout from prop firm for rules or because just the prop firm don't send the payout. But in reality, it's not the truth. It's depend where you put your money, in which prop firm you put the money, and you have to analyze before. You have to take your time to analyze the rules. Of course, if the rules in prop firms are too much and too much restrictive, and they ask you to make crazy things, magic things, not sustainable things, like okay, in this trade you cannot put too much risk, you cannot put this stop loss like this, you cannot trade news, you cannot do this, blah 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 blah, too many things, and these rules doesn't match with your trading plan, don't try to get in the prop firm. And of course, the prop firm that put all these rules, why they put this? To don't send you the payout. So if you start your way in a prop firm like this, you already know that it's very dangerous. If the prop firm it's transparent and the rules are simple, few rules, simple rules, and they can match with your trading plan, okay, let's do it. You will receive payout if you are disciplined and you don't gamble, or if you gamble maybe one time after, no. So yes, it's possible to receive payout from prop firm. Prop firm pay payout, yes, but of course check before, please, the rules of the prop firm if they are too much and too much weird.
Well, I appreciate you guys coming on this podcast. Amazing conversation. Any last words for the audience?
To close this video, I will say there is no business in the world, finance business in the world, more interesting than prop firm, because for few €100 you can unlock capital. So it's the best way for traders to make profit with their strategy. So if you are a trader, you want to unlock capital and live with your trading, go check prop firm, go check X funded, and you can change everything with your strategy if you know how to manage your risk and don't overtrade or be a gambler.
Thank you so much for tuning into the Way On podcast. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button below. We're exploring people's ways and beyond, and we're having a pretty good time doing it. Next year, we're going to be hosting a private yacht party for networking with millionaires and other successful people around the globe. And to our first 1,000 people that subscribe, you'll have the chance to be invited to this private yacht party to network exclusively with these people that are going to be there. So thank you so much for your immense support, and we're going to keep on producing epic content.